Come on girl, fire up for me. I bought this bike off Facebook Marketplace for 500 bucks. It doesn't run. Honestly, I don't even know if it's worth fixing, but we're gonna find out anyway. The rear tyre is gone. Looks like it's got aftermarket rear suspension, a cheap slip-on, some custom spark plug leads. Oh, that wiring is definitely not factory. Does that fuel? Let's check that, hey. Oh yeah, it's got half a tank. It smells okay, doesn't smell too stale. Some adjustable, crappy aftermarket levers, some new handlebar mirrors. Chain looks good, and it's got oil in it. So, I'm assuming it's just the battery. All right, let's have a look. Whoa, that is a tiny battery. It's so little. Let's test the voltage, hey? Cool. And black. It's got 13 volts, so it's definitely got power. So why isn't anything coming on? You know what? Let's just try. There's no way that's it, but this power terminal is a little bit loose. So we'll check that. I might tighten that down and we'll start it again, hey? We'll see if it fires up. Mil. It is pretty loose. Maybe that is what it is. There's no way that it is going to be that simple, is it? Let's have a look. All right, moment of truth. Let's give that a crack. Surely not. How could you sell it? Oh, you're kidding. You are absolutely kidding. All right, can we have a look at this? We have, no. This guy really sold me a bike for a third of its price just because it had a loose bloody battery terminal lead. All right, neutral in. Let's give it a crack, hey? Oh, it wants to. We're about 100% improved on where we were. Okay, so we've got power. Sounds like we have spark, we've got fuel, the air filters don't look too messy. Maybe it's a carb issue. Let's try, here look, let's put a bit of choke on. We'll try that. Oh, come on girl, fire up for me. No. I think it's just, I think someone's played with the carb. And I think we can actually fix this. Now, the only problem is my wife's got to go to work and I need to go look after the kids. So I'm running out of time. I actually didn't think this was gonna start at all today. So let's quickly, just before we go, I wanna give the air fuel mixture just 1/4 turn and we'll see if we can get it started and then we'll have to pick it up in the next episode. Right, come here, you little bugger. Let's give that 1/4 maybe. All right, moment of truth. Let's give this one more go before I have to head out. Oh, no. You're kidding. I can't believe that that's actually... I can't believe it's actually working. Look, I'm definitely not a mechanic, so don't think that I have no idea what I'm doing, to be honest with you. So let's give it one more go. I think it wants to. I definitely think it wants to go. Oh, you bugger, come on. Come over here. Come here. It's not going to work, is it? It lives. It actually worked. It sounds like shit, but... Oh, you bugger. Alright, so we're not quite there yet, but I think we're close. Next weekend, we'll see if we can get this thing running properly. Maybe even ride it. Catch us around.